RefectoCil Eyelash Lift, the perfect push-up for the eyes, within 13 minutes for 6 weeks. Clean the eye area with RefectoCil Eye Makeup Remover and degrease the eyelids and lashes with RefectoCil Saline Solution. Cover the lower lashes with the silicone pads. The perfect pad. The shorter the lashes and the more lifting effect the client wants, the smaller the pad size. Apply sufficient glue to the back of the lifting pads. Allow to dry for some seconds. And position the lifting pad at the edge of the lid as close to the lash line as possible. Now, apply some glue to the first part of the domed area of the lifting pads. Allow to dry. Secure the top lashes section by section with glue and the rosewood stick using a sweeping upwards motion. Swipe the lashes evenly along the lifting pad, keeping them straight. Start the lifting. Place a pea-sized amount of RefectoCil Lash Perm into the cosmetic dish. Using the cosmetic brush, apply a strip of lash perm to the lower part of the lashes. Application time only 8 minutes. Afterwards, dab off the lash perm with a dry cotton bud. Place a pea-sized amount of RefectoCil Neutralizer in the other cosmetic dish. Using the second cosmetic brush, apply a strip of neutralizer to the same area where you applied lash perm. Application time only 5 minutes. Afterwards, dab off the neutralizer with a dry cotton bud. The lashes can now be dyed with RefectoCil tints directly on the lifting pads. It only takes 2 minutes to work. Afterwards, remove the dye with a damp cotton bud. Wipe the pad several times with a damp cotton pad. Then hold the lid taut as you remove the lifting pads. The lashes reach their final form in dry condition. Ready! RefectoCil Eyelash Lift, world's most natural lifting.